concentration is the best way to contact with the world. With concentration, you can see further, more deeply, and more exquisitely. It is always our performing attitude. In our eyes, there are not only icy, lonely parts. They are a kind of language. They enable us to communicate with cars and listen to their demands. They integrate talents and diligence. After numerous accumulation, they burst out at the last moment. And complete the world's pursuing of speed and safety. I love an old saying in China very much. Being strict with oneself, but lenient with others. It fills with wisdom and self-confidence, which also conforms to our national idea. Starting from the heart, persisting on perfect quality, and sticking to undertake responsibilities. We believe force from being diligent is a powerful vitality. This is what we always do. We are Frey.